I'm going to go do some door knocking, and I am going to get some help doing some role playing with my best friend ever, Tech. So this is ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, I'm going to be doing door knocking tomorrow for an open house that I'm going to have. So I'm going to be going around the neighborhood, knocking on doors and talking to people. Role play, and I want you to be me knocking on their doors, and I'm going to be them.
Sure thing. Let's get started. Knock knock. Hello. How can I help you?
Yes, hi, what are y'all doing here?
Hi there. I'm Garrett, your local real estate agent. We're having an open house nearby and wanted to personally invite you to come by. It's a great opportunity to see the house, ask any questions you might have about the neighborhood, or just chat about real estate in general. What do you think?
Which house is it?
Oh, I see what you mean. It's actually the house on Elm Street, number 42.
Why would I even want to go over and see that house if it's my neighbors, and I'm better than them?
I understand everyone has their own preferences. If you change your mind or have any questions about real estate, feel free to reach out anytime.
So I do actually have a question, like, if all of the interest rates are going up and the housing prices are just going up, why would I even consider buying a house? Why would I even consider looking or having you find the price of mine?
It can feel overwhelming with rising interest rates and housing prices. A good place to start is by getting a market analysis done for your home, which can help you understand its current value in today's market. This way, you'll have a clearer picture of where you stand and what options might be available.
We'll just skip all that, when are the APR and house prices going to come down?
It's hard to predict exactly when APRs and house prices might decrease. They're influenced by various factors like economic conditions and market demand. Staying informed about market trends and working closely with a real estate agent can help you make informed decisions.
But you're a realtor, so shouldn't you know all that stuff already?
Absolutely, staying updated on market trends is crucial for my job. While I can provide insights based on current data, predicting exact future changes in APRs and house prices is challenging. What I can do is help navigate the current market conditions to find the best options for you.
Dang, okay, well that's awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'll stop by later. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Feel free to drop by anytime. Have a great day.
ChatGPT. That's the free version as well as have to speak to it.